Hello, I am Dr. Che, and in this video I will teach you how to write uncommon essays that appear in your TOEFL IELTS exam that are not common, how to answer them. This is essay writing course in particular for IELTS and TOEFL students and in general for any English learner. Please subscribe to my channel, look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups, like and comment to encourage me, share with other students to help them, and press bell icon and subscribe to my channel to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. This is an overview of my essay writing course. I have started from 4 assessment criteria, then I would go for each type of essay. For different videos like time management, plan essay, paraphrasing, introductions, conclusions, topics, sentences, many more videos. Then I would go for each type of essay. We are at the last one, mixed or rare essays. I would write more than 15 model essays with explanations and complete step-by-step guide. So open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. Let us have a look at this question. Some people think that it would be a good idea for schools to teach every young person how to be a good parent. This is an opinion, an idea. Do you agree or disagree with this opinion? Until now we have discussed until this one. This is, do you agree or disagree? But in this question they have added an extra question. Describe the needs to be a good parent. What are the requirements to be a good parent? What are the needs to be a good parent? So now it is a double question and it is not common in IELTS. If it appears in your real exam, how you can answer this? Let us discuss. And let us discuss other. This is another question. Some people feel that entertainers like film stars, pop musicians or sports stars are paid too much money. This is an opinion. Do you agree or disagree? This is the question that we have until now studied. But in this question the examiner have added an extra task. Which other types of jobs should be highly paid? So now we have two questions instead of one, and this can appear in your exam. Most of missed questions are usually two-part question. You can say also two-part question. An easy way to write answers to these questions is, first of all, write introduction, then write answer in the body paragraph 1, write answer to the first question. In body paragraph 2, write answer to the second question, and then write conclusion. These are 4 things that you can. So in the first, for example, you would write an intro. In this question you would write an introduction, then you would, in first body paragraph, either you would agree or disagree. It is better to agree or disagree because you would only write one paragraph. If you partially agree, then you have to give a lot of arguments to prove your opinion. But agree or disagree is a bit more easy. So you can agree or disagree with the opinion in the first body paragraph, and then you would give reasons and needs to be a good parent in the second body paragraph, and then you would write a conclusion. In conclusion you would summarize both of these things. Okay, and in this question you would write the first body paragraph. Do you agree or disagree with this statement? Either you can agree or disagree, do one of them. Don't partially agree because you have to give a lot of arguments. Either agree or disagree in the first body paragraph. In the second body paragraph you can say what are other types of job that should be highly paid. For example, teachers, doctors, nurses, something like that you can say in the second body paragraph. Now don't become panic. IELTS or TOEFL never ask any task to question that is not common in our daily life. The topic I am talking about, topic that is not common in our daily life, or for which students find it difficult to generate ideas. They're usually common and daily life topics. Don't become panic. There is a complete list of 27 common IELTS topics for both writing and listening, writing and speaking. Writing and speaking in my vocabulary course. Go to the playlist of my channel and look at the vocabulary course, and you can learn topic specific vocabulary, and you can also see that these are common IELTS topics. If there is any rare question in the exam, follow these suggestions to answer the question. Number 1, read the question carefully and underline keywords. First of all, read the question carefully and underline keywords. Number 2, think carefully what the examiner wants to ask. Think carefully what the examiner wants to ask about. What is the specific question? Think carefully about this. Then brainstorm your relevant and expandable idea, that the ideas that should be relevant and that you should be able to expand them. Then look carefully whether you are asked to give your opinion or not. This is a very important part. Look carefully whether you are asked to give your opinion or not. Before writing the essay, make a complete plan and think how you would organize your essay. Make a complete plan and think how you would organize your essay. This is very important. Write introduction, then 2 or 3 body paragraphs, and then write conclusion. First of all, write introduction, then write 2 or 3 body paragraphs, and then write conclusion. It depends on your question, the type of question it is. Then read your essay at the end and make a checklist of your common errors and try to avoid them while writing and spot them out while proofreading at the last 3 to 4 minutes. This is how you can do any kind of essay that is not a common IELTS or TOEFL exam question. So after watching my complete essay writing course, you would be able to write very good essays. I would please don't take a risk and don't take the exam again and again. I would advise you to take feedback on your writing from any IELTS expert. I would also start my writing correction service in the last 6 months of 2021. I would hire an IELTS expert from UK, native English teacher preferably. We would both work together to provide you advanced, comprehensive and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier. Also join my Facebook group for more updates. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. Subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. My vocabulary and grammar course is already on my channel, and nowadays I am working on writing course. Thank you very much.